Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Why do HDI engines have more power with the flow meter disconnected than with the flow meter connected? Let's see, in these engines, specifically in the majority, what happens is that the ECU has pre-established factory values in case it does not have information about the air that is entering by the flow meter, or MAF sensor, and uses those parameters, that in addition to those pre-established parameters, it also uses others, such as the values given by other sensors, such as the IAT or the MAP sensor. And then, taking everything, keep this in mind, what it usually does is enrich the air and fuel mixture. So that is where you usually notice this increase in power, although also an increase in consumption. The ideal is to have the flow meter connected, but that it is in good condition. Look, because sometimes the flow meters have no problem. Sometimes the only problem there is not that they are defective. It is that they are simply, for example, as in this case, they are dirty, and that dirt, what this causes is that the ECU does not receive exact information on the airflow that is entering the engine. And in many cases, cleaning that sensor, the MAF sensor, as I say, you will notice that the power in the engine increases again. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.